One day during our vacation we were out for a cup of coffee. While we were on our way to the coffee shop, suddenly a car from nowhere came and crashed a small kid running in the road. That accident caused that kid a permanent disability. The kid got paralyzed. The idea of seeing that innocent kid can't move and won't be able to continue his studies was haunting our minds every day. So we decided to sit together and think of an idea to help this kid, and all the permanent disability people as his case around the world to continue their studies. After a lot of researches and studies, we came up with Smart EDU website to help them complete their studies. Many features have been added to the site to help people of determination educate them in a comfortable way. Smart EDU is easy to use. Students can log in and start watching video lectures for each course added by the teacher. Of which courses have been completed, students will receive certificates upon successful completion of the full courses. In many cases, students may have doubts and want to communicate with the teacher. There is a feature of voice recognition for a faster and easier way to talk with the professor directly. The teacher can provide feedback at the same time using the voice recognition feature. Our aim is to provide the best e-learning for people of determination to educate them in an appropriate manner. It is our priority to reach the people who need to develop their knowledge and learn, so we provide a suitable way for them to learn.